Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to auto highlight row based on the value selected from drop down list in Microsoft Excel. In this Excel sheet there is a details of projects, and in the status column a drop down list is created. If you click on the drop down menu, you can see here there are three values: not started, in progress and completed. In this cell not started is selected and the highlight is orange color highlight. If I change this value, let me take in progress, here you see the highlight automatically changed to yellow color, and if I take completed, highlighting auto changed to green color. In another row, if I take here a value, the highlighting will auto appear. So here I am going to show you how you can do this. First of all, let me clear the highlights that is already applied here by going to conditional formatting, clear rule, then clear rule from the selected cells. To make the auto highlighting, first of all select the range, then go to conditional formatting tool in the home tab, go to new rule, click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now here in the formula bar, press equal to, put a dollar symbol, then put the column name where there is drop down list. In this case the drop down list is in the D column, so put here D, then put the first row, that is the row number 2, D2 equal to, put double quotation, then put the first value, that is not started, double quotation close. Click on the format button, click on the fill tab, then choose the color that you want to use for not started, then click on OK. Now if you change this value to not started, here you see the highlighting automatically appeared. Following the same method, you can apply different color highlights for the other status. Let me do one more. By selecting this, go to conditional formatting, manage rules, select this rule, then make a copy of this rule by clicking on duplicate rule. The rule is duplicated, click on edit rule. Now here in this value, change to in progress. Click on the format button, then choose the color for in progress, click on OK, apply and OK. And here you see for in progress the color is automatically applied. Following the same method, you can apply a different color for completed status. So this is how you can automatically highlight the row based on value selected from a drop down list in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in next video tutorial.